Hello Zags, I'm Sam Hendricks and I'm a summer RA in Kennedy. If you're living in a suite building or an apartment where you have a semi-private bathroom this year, the university's custodial crew will not be cleaning your bathroom over the course of the academic year. To help you maintain a healthy living environment, we would like to share some bathroom cleaning and disinfecting steps. For showers, we recommend that you use a two-step cleaning process. The first step is to use a general purpose cleaner to eliminate dirt, oils, and other impurities from the surfaces. To disinfect the shower, we recommend that you use a household disinfectant such as Clorox bleach or scrubbing bubbles. Follow the product's instructions regarding how long the disinfectant should remain in the shower surface to ensure maximum effectiveness. For hard surfaces in your bathroom, we recommend you use Lysol spray or similar disinfectants to kill any germs or viruses present. Now, high-touch surfaces such as doorknobs, light switches, countertops, and tables should be wiped down with a disinfectant as often as possible to reduce the risk of transmitting viruses from one person to the next. Getting into the habit of practicing routine cleaning will help support a healthy living environment. Zag on!